John and Jack. John is retired ex-military. Jack works at the local Walmart. They both know that things can go wrong anytime, and they are ready for SHTF. They both have strong underground shelters full of guns, ammo, food, and water. But there's a crucial difference in the construction of their bunkers. Jack has installed just a vent pipe. John installed advanced Castellex Air 550 NBC air filtration system into his shelter. John, as ex-military, knows the rules of survival, and he follows the most important rule, the rule of threes. Air comes first. If you don't have fresh air, you won't survive long. Most likely, you'll survive just 3 minutes. You can survive without food for 3 weeks. You can survive without water for 3 days. You can only survive without air for only 3 minutes. Visit www.castellex.com.